so now I'm just gonna listen to some of your lung sounds after reviewing your imaging. So what I need you to do is just lift your right arm for me, just like this.
Okay.
Does that feel uncomfortable?
Oh, it's okay.
All right. So what I want you to do is, I'm gonna ask you to take a deep breath in and a deep breath out, and we're gonna do that a few times down your side, okay?
Okay.
And then snake this through onto your skin.
Okay.
All right, take a deep breath in. Deep breath in. Just one more. Breath in.